I started working in January 1957. I was very excited to be working with my father, my uncle and my brothers. It was hard to learn to dress the slate because I was left-handed. I learned how to dress with the right hand, but it was so frustrating at the start. After getting used to it, it became easier to do, but only after some injuries to my hand. In January 1963, the quarry was shut because of the bad weather in the winter. At that time, I had the chance to ride across the frozen lake on the back of a motorbike with my friend. Work started again in March, but the upper galleries collapsed, causing the bottom galleries to close. I was moved to work at Boncis y Braich, halfway up the quarry, and then moved to the mills for a period of time. In 1965, I decided to move from the quarry to work at the nuclear power station, which was being built at Wilbur. After 2 years, I decided to go back to the quarry to work and carried on with splitting and dressing the slate until the end of July. During that period, I was admitted to Liverpool to a hospital. I was there for 4 weeks. During that period, I received the most shocking news of my life. While in hospital, I received my wages and the information about the closure of the quarry in August. After coming home from the hospital, I received a call from an official at the quarry, saying there was a job for me to finish part of the order books with the receivers. It was spooky coming back to the quarry with the buildings all quiet. I worked until the end of 1970, when most of the orders were cleared. Then I had to leave for a job in Ferodo, when I worked for 2 years before moving to the construction of the Dinorwig pump station in 1980.